Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones Soundcore Space Q45. And the first one is to use USB-C cable, so just connect it to USB-C port on your headphones. We can see a LED light, it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use USB-C to USB-C cable right here. But if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C to your phone and the second one to your headphones. We can also see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!